Alright, so here's how to add view product on Instagram post. First of all, just open your Instagram and now click on your profile icon on bottom right corner. Now click on these three lines on top right corner and just scroll down and under for professional click on creator, tools and controls. Alright, here click on monetization status. So you have to be eligible for monetization on Instagram in order to access view product button for post. So as you can see, I'm eligible. Now let's go on post. Right here, just click on this plus icon on top and click on post. Let's upload some post. I'm going to upload this one. Click on next, and here just scroll down and under more option click on more options and scroll down. No, here under ads and monetization click on add product details. Now here you can add your product details. So I'm going to write this one ebook and just give it a price $5. All right, after that just give it a caption and let's see, just click on OK. Now as you can see the product button, it is showing a view product. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.